Okay, so what I'm going to do is explain a couple of things. You'll notice here there's a milk yield morning and milk yield evening. I've deliberately put some very low numbers in here to make sure that at least one of the cows is having real problems. Then there's the cow ID, which literally goes 101, 102 and 103. And finally there's the cow sort, which is 101, 102 and 103. Here are some extra variables. Notice that the lowest has been given a ridiculous number, so that it automatically goes down. Now, this is where it gets to be quite important, because what we have here is a double loop. So you've got this loop here, and then you have the following loop afterwards. Within this, you've got a cow ID equals C, fair enough, so it makes sure the loop, similar to task 2. And then you have cow total plus milk yield morning and milk yield evening. So that adds up the two cows. And if the milk yield for the morning and the milk yield for evening is less than 12, it adds one to low productivity. So you can see that straight away. Then it simply prints the cow yielded these number of litres. If the low productivity is more than or equal to 4, it prints low yield for this number of days. If the highest is less than the cow total, highest becomes cow total, and the highest cow equals C. A very easy way to keep on updating the maximum. And then the same for the lowest. If the lowest is more than cow total, lowest equals cow total, lowest cow equals C. Then, just to make sure everything's going round, cow total equals low and low product equals 0, because it's going to go round the loop again for a new cow in cow sort.